What's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a 1978 Sachs Balboa moped. Now you're going to want to make sure that you don't skip any of this video because there are a few steps to starting this up, and if you miss something you may not be able to start your bike. So the first thing that you're going to want to do on the left side of your bike is find the petcock. This is how you turn your gas on. So go ahead, put that on or reserve. Next, on the right side handlebar, go ahead and turn your kill switch to the run position. Now, this is where things get a little tricky. This is not a brake lever. This is your clutch and also decomp. When you pull that in, this opens up a valve on the top of the cylinder dash head. This allows some air to get out and it makes it easier to turn the motor over. And it also pulls the clutch to allow the motor to engage. On the right side, you have your choke lever, which if it's a cold start or just a cold day, you'll hold this in longer than you do the clutch lever. Now, being on top of your bike, while you're pedaling it over, you're gonna hold both the clutch lever and the choke in. And once this motor starts to spin over, you're gonna release the clutch lever, continue to hold the choke, and you can take off with this on. Once you take off, go ahead and release that choke. This really doesn't need to be on for that long. But if it's warm out, you don't need to use the choke. You just hold the clutch in, pedal over. Once you hear the motor start to spin over, just dump that clutch lever. And now, just so you can visualize it, you're gonna kick the motor with the pedal on and release that. And it's all good to go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how you do this. And there you go guys, that's how you start a 1978 Sachs Balboa. I hope this helped.